Hi, I am Sunil from Hinder Engineering. Today we are at the site of Mr. Srijit Jayaraman located at Vijaya Bank layout, Bangalore. Here we have installed a 6.5 kilowatt 3-phase on-grid system using micro inverters. So for this system we have used Canadian solar panels of 410 watt peak each. These are PERC panels in 2 rows. So we have got 16 panels of 410 watt peak each. A walkway is provided in between the rows. A walkway is very important in rooftop installations because this walkway provides easy access to every panel for maintenance as well as cleaning. As you can see, this is a elevated structure. We have elevated the structure to take care of the shadows. So the structure is designed in such a way that there is no drilling or cutting or any kind of insertion on the roof. It is a completely non-invasive structure. Structural stability is maintained only through self weight and friction. For this project we have used micro inverter of Enphase make. This is the micro inverter. So the biggest advantage of the micro inverter is this makes each panel independent of the other panels. So in one of the other videos we have given detailed descriptions of the advantages of the micro inverters. The link is given in the description below. So in this project there are 16 inverters, each of Enphase IQ7A. Since these inverters are single phase, we need to convert this into a 3-phase system through the wiring system. So in this system, since there are 16 inverters, for the red phase we have connected 6 inverters, for the yellow phase we have connected 6 inverters, and for the blue phase we have connected 4 inverters. So you can see the inverter layout here. This is called the Q cable. This is the cable which is used to connect from one inverter to the other inverter. This cable is just a press fit mechanism. The cabling this way makes the 2 inverters parallel to each other. So now this entire system of 16 panels, each panel is independent of the other panel. So this is one of the biggest advantages of the micro inverter. So this is a terminal block. So the connections from all the inverters are terminated here with a MCB. From this block the power line is taken to the Envoy and from there to the load center. So the output from the inverter through the terminal block comes into this ACDB. This is called the ACDB or the alternate current distribution board. This has various components which we will run through now. So this is the ACDB panel. So the output from the micro inverters through the terminal block comes into this TB. From here it goes into this protection circuit. Okay, so here we have got a ELCB, we have got a SPD and a MCB. We also have what is called as a phase coupler. Okay, this is a very important part of this micro inverter setup. So this is the Envoy, this is the data logger come the remote monitoring device. The communication gateway uses power line communication to communicate between the micro inverters. In a multi-phase application like in this case, power line communications are carried only on the phase supplying power to the Envoy. For the Envoy to communicate with all the micro inverters in the multi-phase application like in this case, we must couple the power line communication signal between the phases. So for that we use what is called as a phase coupler. You can see this is the phase coupler. This is the phase coupler. This is installed here. This enhances and makes the communication very clear between the inverters and the Envoy. This is very important and a must-have component in a multi-phase microinverter setup. This is the output from our Envoy. So this gives all the information about the system. So this is today's data. So we can see total generation so far is 19.5 units, out of which the consumer has consumed 18.7. So this gives various data, like this is the today's data, and this is in the same graphical format. The blue gives the production and the orange gives the consumption, and this is the layout. As I showed on top, we have got 16 panels. So this is the output of each and every panel. So all the 16 panels output is shown in this array. This is a CT or a current transformer. We use this CT to measure the current flowing through the conductor. So this is installed both in the production and consumption side to get an accurate data of both the consumption and production. So the CTs which are installed here. So each one CT is installed and each phase. So this is for the red phase, yellow phase and the blue phase. So these CTs are recording the production from each of these phases. So this is a generation side meter. The DISCOM people install this to record only the generation from the solar panels. This is used not for billing, it is only for reference purpose. This is a generation side meter. This is not a bidirectional meter. This is only the generation side meter. You can see here, this will, if you want, you can manually check the generation which has happened so far. So this is from the time of installation, this system has generated 2993 units. One can compare that with the reading from the Envoy, which also says 2.9 megawatt hour. You can see here. So the generation from the generation side meter records 2993.1. The one from the Envoy, or what we call as the My Enlighten app, this shows 2.9 MWh or 2900 units so far. So as you can see, this system was installed on the 31st December 2020. So this is the main panel through which the grid and the solar is integrated. So one side we have the grid and the other side we have the solar generation. So this is integrated in this panel. So this is the main revenue meter which the DISCOM uses for billing. So this is a system installed on the 31st December 2020, a 6.64 kilowatt system. So this is the main revenue meter. This is the one which is used for billing purpose. Okay, so you can see here, this is the an instruction is given here on how to read this meter. So we can now check the total import and export from the date of installation and compare that with our My Enlighten readings. So we can see here, so we can start scrolling. So this is the total import of energy from the time of installation. So this records 996.3. So we can see from our My Enlighten app, which also almost matches the reading with the bidirectional meter. And next is the export, that is 2360 units. We can compare that with our My Enlighten app, which shows 2400 units as our net export. Okay. So this My Enlighten app on our phone is perhaps the most handy tool in any micro inverter installation using the Enphase micro inverter. Thank you very much.